What's up, guys? This is Blader Jordan here, and I'm back with an awesome unboxing. And as you can see here, it's an unboxing of Storm Capircorn. And this is from 88 Power Pig 88. And like I said, if you guys don't know who he is, he's from eBay and he's a great seller. So I recommend you guys go check him out. And so yeah, let's get to the unboxing or unpackaging. And so, here it is, Storm Capircorn, M145Q. And so, as you can see, it is by Capircorn, so it is legit. And so, let's unbox Storm Capircorn. Okay, so here's the stickers. Here's the instruction booklet. So yeah, there's stickers. Here's the instruction booklet on how to put it on. Comes with a black tool. And here's Move 145, and here's Quake. And the reason why it's called Quake is about, well, I think the reason why it's called Quake is from how it hops so much. From how it hops so much, I think that's why it's called Quake. As you see, it's like deformed there, so it can bounce and hop. And you know, like when an earthquake, it shakes everything. That's basically like what Storm Capircorn is. And so, here's the bay. So here's the face bolt. Capircorn, as you can see. It shows the little words there. Not sure if you can really see it that good, but it says Capircorn. Here's the energy ring. Capircorn is red. Looks pretty nice. And here's Storm. Looks very awesome. And so let's put the bay together. And I'll put on the stickers later. And here it is, Storm Capircorn. And as you notice, it can like change modes. I guess this is the part where it's in normal stamina mode. I mean normal attack mode. I guess this is the one where it hops. So yeah, let's get to a spin test. That's awesome. It spins pretty nice. And now let's do regular attack mode. so it still hops a little. But yeah, there you have it. That's Storm Capricorn. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys later.